This is me back on the John Muir Way. I'm just about to start leg 7, which is South Queensferry to Edinburgh. About 15 mile, approximately 24 kilometres. I think it'll take me about 5.5 hours. So I'm just about to start and walk under the iconic 4th rail bridge, which is that one there obviously. And then you've got the 2 road crossings there, the new one and the old one at the back of that. It's a bit of a cold day today. And it looks like it's going to rain as well, but I'll get moving. Just wanted to show you South Queensferry before I start. That there is a famous little pub called the Horse Inn. I believe it's mentioned in Treasure Island, but don't quote me on that. I've just been walking probably a mile and a half. Very quiet, it's ideal. Although it's cold, it's not too bad. You do have a few options. You can walk down carry on walking down the path as I am at the moment, or you can take a little path down there, walk along the beach, which I'm going to do shortly. Just take a short walk along the beach. What a lovely place. I'd say it's lovely and quiet. Ideal for dog walkers, which I've seen a few of. Barnbougle Castle is a striking 13th century tower house perched on the southern shore of the Firth of Forth. Originally built in the 1200s by the de Mowbray family, Norman knights who accompanied William the Conqueror. Through the centuries, it's passed by sale and inheritance from the Mowbrays to the Earls of Haddington, and then to the Primrose family, which are the Earls of Rosebery in 1662. In the early 19th century, it was abandoned, partly destroyed, possibly by accidental explosion, and its role was supplanted by Dalmeny House, built in 1817. In 1881, Archibald Primrose, the 5th Earl of Rosebery, commissioned a full reconstruction in Scots baronial style designed by James Maitland Wardrop, retaining elements of the old tower. Known affectionately as the Earl's Shed at the bottom of the garden, it was closed upon his death in 1929 and preserved almost untouched for nearly a century. Dalmeny House is a stunning Tudor Gothic revival mansion set on the shores of the Firth of Forth, just west of Edinburgh, near South Queensferry. The Primrose family, who became Earls of Rosebery, acquired the estate in 1662. Barnbougle Castle had been their old residence until Dalmeny House was built for the 4th Earl. In the 1940s, the Dalmeny Library hosted theatrical and cultural figures instrumental in founding the Edinburgh Festival. The house is a Category A listed, with its estate recognised in Scotland's inventory of gardens and designed landscapes. It commands a majestic position overlooking the Forth and is surrounded by scenic parkland. In 2023, its terraces and catering facilities were added discreetly at the rear, with careful use of original materials to preserve historical integrity, although the house at the moment is closed due to renovation. you come to a fork in the road here, don't take the long green cottages, just carry straight on. There is a sign, but it's slightly covered, so you may miss it. So take the right hand fork, you'll be okay. It's been a really quiet walk up to now. We've come away from the shore. I was hoping to go walk along the beach for a little bit, but the track actually takes you away from there. Right up there, right in the distance, it's the Dalmeny Hills, which I've walked along many a time. Walking under the flight path to the Edinburgh airport, which is just down the road. So if you're a train spotter, this is probably a good place to be. I'm currently just come out the countryside and walking along the A90, busy A90 into Edinburgh. Been walking an hour and a half, done about 5 miles, but this is a good place to have a coffee, stop for a coffee, or if you time it just right, maybe a lunch or something, but it's ideal. But I'm going down by Cramond River in a bit, so yeah. I just said a short while ago that I'm going to walk alongside the Cramond River. It's not actually, it's actually called the Almond River. I'm walking to Cramond. The path now takes you through Davidson Mains Park. The part I've just done, probably about a mile and a half, wasn't much to look at. You walk past Brunsfield Golf Course, and I think the area's Barton, but some of the houses were stunning, really nice. Don't mind getting one of them if I can afford it. I'd say, yeah, Davidson Mains Park. Not far halfway on the route, to be honest. They're doing well for time. I'll be stopping in a bit for a break. Something to eat and a drink. Just to reach the top of Corstorphine Hill. The monument there is to Sir Walter Scott. Can't get it, it's all blocked off. Yeah. That was quite a steep climb from the main road, but I'm going to take a break here for 10 minutes, get a drink, something to eat or a snack, take the boot off because my right foot's a bit sore at the moment. So I'll have a rest, then carry on. Probably about halfway, or just over halfway. 2.5 hours, so quite good for time. Doing pretty well. Just coming around the corner, thought I was seeing things, thought there were horses. 2 zebras. Unbelievable. This must be the top of the zoo, I'd have thought. Since coming down from Corstorphine Hill, you hit the main road, and actually then you're just walking along paths into main road into Edinburgh centre. This part of the walk finishes in the meadows, so I'll probably finish filming now. There's not a great deal to see. Edinburgh, you can watch 1,000,001 videos all about Edinburgh. So I'll carry on the walk, probably about 4.5 miles to go. That there in front of me is Murrayfield. As I say, there's not much now to film, so if I see anything interesting, I'll film it, but if not, I'll be finishing in the meadows. It should take me about an hour and a half, not long.